Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Check the battery and connections first. A common issue is loose or corroded battery terminals. Clean them with a brush and try starting your car again. If the problem persists, try jump-starting the car to see if the battery is the issue. If the car still won't start, listen for a clicking noise which could indicate a problem with the starter. If there's no sound, the issue might be with the ignition switch. Consult a professional mechanic for a comprehensive diagnosis.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.